Hello friends, this is my another video of termux tutorial. In this video, I will show the another substitution of info tool. Why I am making this video? Because already there have one tool for gather the information of any packages, means any termux packages. But why I am making this video? Because one of my subscriber faced this problem to the info tool is not working. After when I checked the videos and I tried it in my termux terminal, that time it was not working. Suddenly after some days suddenly it was working. Why? I think some problem was happening, but later I found another substitution of the info tool. How we can do? So let's go to the termux terminal. At first just update your packages by the command package as update and package upgrade. Enter it. It's done. Now apt update %, apt upgrade. It also done. So now I will try to run the info tool, info figlet. So figlet description, see here it's showing info, no menu item figlet in node directory top. It's not working. So if you'll change the repository, the termux change repo, using the termux change repo, after some changing the repository, it sometimes it works and sometimes it's not working. So if any problem will happen, that time what substitution you can do? What is the another solution of this tool? So let's see the another solution. The another solution is man tool. Using the man tool you can do that instruction also. You can see the description. How you can install it? By the package install and the man, then enter it. So the man tool is been installed. Now just type the man and type the package name. I am running the package. I want to see the description of the figlet, because using the info tool I can't see the figlet packages descriptions. So now I want to see using the man tool instead of info. Enter it. See here you can see all of the description. What you can do using the info to the figlet package. Done. Using the Ctrl Z, I'm going to the previous page. So instead of info tool, you can use your man tool for see the description of the package, of any package. Suppose I already installed the SL tool. Using the SL tool you can run the train. Okay, let it go. So now if you want to check using the info tool, info and type the SL, then enter. See now it's working, no problem. See it's working. Ctrl Z. Now try to run the info figlet. Now it's in previous sometimes ago info figlet it was not working. See this command was came, but now the info sl command has been done. So but now if I'll run the info figlet, now it's running. So if sometimes it will happen, then you can run the man command instead of info tool. So using the man command you can do the description. You can see the description of the any package. So I hope your problem has been solved. If any problem will happen, please let me know and comment me. Definitely I will help you to solve any problem of the termux tutorial. So have fun and be smart to try the code.